Hello everybody, I'm Claire from Majors. So I'm a pattern designer. To make the half square triangles, there's many different ways to do this, but in this particular pattern we make them 8 at a time and 2 at a time. So I'm going to go through those two methods with you. We'll start off with the 2 at a time. So you have your 2 blocks, and if you had pattern fabric, you put the patterns together, right sides together on top of each other, your 2 squares, I should say. Again, underneath, using a 1/4 inch foot. Remove your pins before you sew over them.